In 2017, Equifax, one of the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States, suffered one of the largest data breaches in history. The personal data of approximately 147 million people was exposed. Stolen data included social security numbers, birth dates, addresses, and in some cases driver's license and credit card numbers. The root cause traced back to a vulnerability in a piece of open-source software called Apache Struts. Apache Struts is a framework used to build web applications, and Equifax used it to power a consumer complaint portal. In March 2017, a critical vulnerability in Apache Struts was publicly disclosed, along with a patch to fix it. Security researchers and the software's maintainers urged organizations using Struts to apply the patch immediately. Equifax's internal security team was notified about the vulnerability and the need to patch it. But the patch was not applied to the affected system. Investigations later revealed this was due to a combination of organizational failures, unclear responsibility for who should apply the patch, and gaps in Equifax's vulnerability scanning process. For months, the unpatched vulnerability sat exposed on a public-facing system. In May 2017, attackers discovered the unpatched vulnerability and began exploiting it. They gained access to Equifax's internal network and quietly moved through it for approximately 76 days before being detected. During that time, they accessed and extracted massive amounts of sensitive personal data. Investigators later found that Equifax's internal network segmentation was weak, meaning once attackers were in one system, they could move relatively freely to access others. They also found that a digital certificate used to inspect encrypted network traffic for suspicious activity had expired, and had not been renewed, for almost 10 months. This meant a key monitoring tool was essentially blind during the exact window when the attack was happening. By the time the breach was discovered internally, in late July 2017, the damage was already done. Equifax did not publicly disclose the breach until September 2017, more than a month later, drawing significant criticism over the delay. The company ultimately agreed to a settlement of up to $700 million, covering regulatory fines and compensation for affected consumers. Executives faced congressional hearings, and the company's reputation suffered long-term damage. The technical root cause combined an unpatched known vulnerability, weak internal network segmentation, and a monitoring tool that had silently stopped working. Each individual failure might have been survivable, but together, they created a perfect pathway for a massive breach. The lesson here is about patch management discipline and defense in depth. Known vulnerabilities with available patches need clear ownership and enforced deadlines, not ambiguous responsibility. Security monitoring tools need their own monitoring, to catch silent failures like an expired certificate. And network segmentation should assume that some intrusion will eventually happen, limiting how far an attacker can move once inside. The Equifax breach remains one of the most cited examples of how a single unpatched vulnerability can cascade into a national-scale data disaster.